Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yasi Sumiati, and in this video I want to present my mini research, and the title is Sociolinguistic Analysis of Language Style and Politeness Strategies Used in the Movie Script of Me Before You 2016. And this study focused on two linguistic features, language styles and politeness strategies, as reflected in the conversations between the two characters. There are Loisa Clark and Will Trainer. Okay, so this mini research, the object of data of this mini research is from script, not the movie. Okay, we can take a look on this slide, abstract. For the aim and framework of this study is to explore how language choices reflect social roles and emotional dynamic within the film. And to support this, I use two main frameworks. There are Martin Jobs' Theory of Language Style, 1967, and Brown and Levinson's Theory of Politeness Strategies, 1987. And next to the introductions, there are theoretical framework. Joyce identities 5 types of language style. There are present, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. Each showing a different level of formality and closeness. Meanwhile, Brown and Levinson's classify politeness into 4 strategies. There are both on record, positive politeness, negative politeness, and off record, used to manage face saving in conversations. Together, these frameworks help analyze how Loisa and Will relationship developed through their speech from stranger to emotionally connected individuals. Okay, for the next is contemporary understanding. In linguistics, language is shaped by social factors like class, gender, and culture. And language reflect identity, relationship, and values. Even though film scripts are fictional, they mimic real-life speech and reveal natural communication patterns. And this research addresses a gap. Very few studies combine language style and politeness strategies in the context of the romantic drama. It also helps learners understand how language works pragmatically in modern media. Okay, next for the research methodology. This research used a qualitative descriptive method as explained by Creswell 2014, which explores meaning in human interactions. And for the data source, as I said before, is from the script of movie titled Me Before You 2016. And in this mini research, I found 110 utterances focusing on Louisa, Will, and a few supporting characters. I describe the relevant scenes manually and analyze them based on Joyce's language style theory and Brown and Levinson's politeness strategies theory. And the goal is not to measure frequency statistically, but to understand how language is used contextually, depending on speaker, relationship, and situations. Okay, so for the next topic is findings and discussions. We can see on this slide for the findings language style show that the casual style is used most often. It's around 45.5%, followed by consultative. It's around 22.7%, and intimate style it's around 20.9%. And this pattern shows that Loisa and Will's communications becomes more relaxed and emotionally close as the story progresses. Okay, for the findings for politeness strategies, positive politeness is dominant. It's around 36.4%, followed by off record is around 22.7%, and bold on record is around 18.2%. And characters often use jokes, compliments, and informal expressions to reduce social distance and build connections. Okay, we can take a look of the analysis sections. And maybe in this video, I only discuss about one example. I will take just for one example from the language style and politeness strategies. For the first example is from language style, and the utterance comes from Loisa, and Loisa says, "Now you see, this is what we could be doing on holiday." Okay, so for the analysis, the utterance reflect a casual language style as defined by Joes, where Loisa speaks informally and comfortably with Will, and the use of phrases like "stop" that show of planning indicates spontaneous and relaxed communications, typical of close relationship. In terms of politeness strategies, Loisa applies positive politeness by joking and showing solidarity, and her playful tone reduces face threatening potential and foster a sense of closeness by framing her disagreement in a light-hearted way, and she maintains harmony and connection in the conversations. Okay, for the next example, it's from Will. The utterance is from Will, and Will says that you appear to have a problem with your skirt. Okay, so for the analysis, this utterance uses casual language style with sarcasm, showing Will's informal and blunt way of speaking, and it reflects low social distance between speakers for politeness strategies. It shows bold on record with a teasing tone, with directly comment on Loisa's appearance without softening, which threatens her positive face but also signals the start of playful interactions. Okay, for the key insight and contributions, the character use casual style and positive politeness to show emotional closeness, and language reflect not just what it says, but also how and why it's said, especially in managing emotion, boundaries, and connections. Compared to previous studies like those by Irawan Sari and Azmi, this research different because it focuses especially on the script, not the full audio visual content, and it combines both language style and politeness strategies for a more complete sociolinguistic view. Okay, so for the conclusion, uh, this study reveals the language in script Me Before You 2016 served not only to move the plot forward but also to express emotions, social roles, and relationship development. And the frequent use of casual style and positive politeness show how characters try to build trust, express care, and reduce distance. And these findings confirm that sociolinguistic theory can be applied meaningfully to media discourse, providing valuable insight for research, language teaching, and cultural understanding. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.